No, opening! Let's go, man! I haven't even heard the song. This sounds really cool. The Ventos, man. Oh, Mozart! Who sings this? I don't know. Eimer or Lisa? I'm not sure. But I think it's one of the two. Lisa! Oh shit, man, I'm so fucking hyped, dude.
I like the song, man.
Yeah. Holy shit, I love the design of this motherfucker.
Oh, those were his early days, right?
Yeah.
No! Please don't!
No, they showed Takasa. No!
You're not crying, right?
No.
You're not, right?
No.
You're not, right,
I'm
bro?
crying right now, man. Bro, this shot is gonna be my wallpaper now. This shot is gonna be my wallpaper.
That looks amazing.
Holy fuck, man. Great song as well, by the way. And I was gonna say, I don't know if you guys think the same.
I'm putting this on my Spotify.
I didn't think Ruby was strong in the 1v1. Oh, ending. I don't know if the ending is done by Lisa as well. I'm not sure about that.
I have no idea.
Ah, the shots, man.
It could be Lisa as well. I'm not sure, but
I don't know. I think this is a controversial topic on the show. If Demon Slayer is carried by the animation or not, but it really helps a lot that it's so fucking beautiful, man.
of course it helps.
I don't know, I think it's so visual appealing, man, that you cannot get your eyes out of it. I don't know.
And that's fine.
Yeah, of course. I enjoy the shit out of the show, man. I don't know if it's Lisa, you know?
It's Lisa.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay. Taisho Secret.